one-stop solution for your skin, dental, hair and plastic surgery needs. Today we're going to talk about dental implants. What is a dental implant? Dental implant is a screw-like attachment which goes inside your bone and replaces your missing tooth. Dental implants are actually been into existence from the 1950s and 60s. But India is just waking up to the prospect of dental implant. And that is why we have so many questions about implants. Now, first of all, I have a lot of patients who come into the center and ask me that why do we need to replace our missing teeth? This is something which needs to be addressed very, very carefully, because at the end of the day, we are, risking our health to a lot more. You have seen, people around us people around you who have a lot of diseases these days. Because of the disease, their nutritional status goes down, and then again a vicious cycle. Because your nutritional status is down, then again you develop some of the other disease. Now, how do you keep your nutritional status, at par with everybody? What is the normal nutritional status of the body? You have to realize that the nutrition depends on what is your intake, that is what kind of food you take, and how effectively your body assimilates or absorbs that food. Now, how effectively the body is going to absorb the food totally depends on how the chewing efficiency is, how the digestion is in the body. Now, when we talk about the digestion, the first step of digestion is the oral cavity or your mouth. The teeth are very important when it comes to the digestion. They break down the food substances into smaller units, both chemically and physically, so that this is absorbed by your stomach. If you go by the statistics, 30 to 50% of your chewing or the digestion happens inside your mouth. So, if you do not have teeth, how well you are going to digest your food? Definitely the percentage increases substantially. When the digestion in the mouth is not proper because of some gum issues, because the number of teeth present are less, there are missing teeth, the teeth are flattened because of wear and tear, or there is any pain somewhere inside the mouth, then the digestion is going to get hampered. Once the digestion is going to get hampered in the mouth, the next step, that is the digestion in the stomach, is also going to get hampered or get hampered. Now, when the digestion gets hampered, the body is unable to absorb the proper nutrition from the food. As it is, the food that we eat has a very less nutritional value these days. And out of that also, the body is not able to optimally absorb nutrition. Because of this, we get into the vicious cycle of developing diseases. All this can be, prevented by just having proper teeth in the first place, a healthy mouth, and chewing properly. If you can just do these 2-3 steps, you can avoid many diseases. That is why we have to replace the missing teeth. And when it comes to replacing the missing teeth, there is nothing better than a dental implant. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment box below. And if you want to hear more from us, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.